Would have been a doubleheader.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashland County, southeastern Richland County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 19 miles northeast of Loudonville to 14 miles southwest of Loudonville, and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Loudonville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now, and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing